Hello cousins, welcome back to my channel. And if you can see from the title, yes, we are in our first tornado in the RV. Watch this video, cousin. Well, cousin, right now I'm trying to look out the window, see what's going on. Y'all see them trees, so it's still a little heavy. And did you see the branches on the ground? They look small, but they are very heavy, cousins. It was a little scary, but y'all, look at this bird flew down. I don't know if the tornado wind killed it or what, y'all, but it was a little crazy to me. This was a big tree, y'all. And as y'all can see, I'm really in disbelief. Like, dang, this really happened. So I'm walking around the RV park trying to see what damage it did. As y'all can see, this tree went right into this lady house. She couldn't get in because it was blocking her door. And if she was at home, it probably would have did damage because the branches came through her bedroom window and they are in her bed. So yeah, y'all, that was pretty bad. They are cutting the tree down now off of RV, but another RV park was not so lucky, y'all. They lost everything. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about in Denton, Texas. Y'all, the moral of this is always be blessed for what you have because you can lose it all in just 1 minute, y'all. These people did not know that they was going to come back home. Luckily, they left when they got the warning because if they wouldn't have left, you already know what would have happened. So the moral is always just be so grateful for what you do got because you never know who out there losing way more than what you complaining about. So y'all just be blessed. Make sure y'all keep following my channel. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna take y'all along on this journey with me. And y'all, only thing I can say is we was so blessed, y'all. We was blessed, but unfortunately a lot of people wasn't blessed like we was, but they are blessed to still have their life. They can always get materialistic things back. So okay guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back dropping another hit video. Bye cousins.